Presenting Lava Agni 5G Fiery Blue. The 8GB RAM and 128GB storage lets you store all your pictures, music and movies hassle-free. The smartphone features dual SIM with 5G connections with dual standby. The 6.78 inches Full HD Plus IPS display with 1080 by 2460 pixels resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and 91.7% screen-to-body ratio gives you a seamless experience. The 64-megapixel AI quad camera lets you capture all your precious moments on the go. The MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor with 2.4 GHz increased clock speed gives you a smooth performance. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.